What up guys, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to create and use custom GPTs. Now, for those of you who used ChatGPT before, you know that on the left hand side, ChatGPT has what is called its own GPTs. Some of these were created by actual companies. So different companies come in here and create their own. And so today I'm gonna teach you guys how to create yours. You can either make this private, you can make this public. So I'm gonna teach you guys and just gonna talk to you guys as I go through. So the first thing, you're going to click on GPTs on the left hand side. Obviously by now you guys should know about ChatGPT and you know how to walk through, but you click on GPT on the left hand side, and then you can see right here it says explore GPTs, which are things like this. You can also search for them. My GPT. So if you've created anyone, you can click on there, or you're going to click on create. So right now we're going to create, and we're just going to click on create. So now once you click on create, it gives you two split screens. So on the first one, it's going to tell you, hi, I'll help you build a new GPT. So he's going to ask you what you would like to make. And you're going to see an output right here. So I'll say, I want a GPT where I can paste my blog post link and it turns it into a Facebook post, into an engaging, I want it to be engaging, and engaging Facebook post with a picture if needed. No, I'll say with a picture. Okay. And you just click on this. Okay. As you can see, this is what it's going to look like. Okay. So it says, how about naming this GPT blog to Facebook? But want to go with that? It said, I'll say, yes, I'll let go with that. Go with the name suggested. And it's going to show you. So you just create it directly, just like this. And right now it's generating a profile picture for us, just like you guys saw with the other GPTs. So it's generated one for us, so it's pretty nice. So here's the profile. Do you like this? I like this. I'll say, I like it. I like it. Okay. So now what's the main outcome you want emphasized? I'll say more link clicks and shares. Those will be the two main things. And I was gonna update what it is on the right. So as you can see, you just updated it right now. It says, when I write this post, identity tones you want me to like a bold and company, friendly and casual, more professional. Friendly and casual. So you can keep giving this as many prompts as you want so as to tailor your own GPT to you. And I'm just going to show you guys the configuration so you can then see what you can do by yourself too. So now I'm going to say friendly and fun, make it shareable. Let me test out the GPT real quick. Let me just see. I'm going to copy, then paste link. So let me just let me find the link. There's a recent blog post that I wrote. So let me just put this right here and then send it. Nice. As you guys can see, it literally took directly from my blog post. This is exactly what my blog post is about. What if your business never missed another call again? Meet Synflow AI, a no voice agent that creates qualified leads and all that. And so it tells you, alternative folks, would you trust an AI to answer your business? Because this is a good thing. So it's asking, do you want to generate an image now or just provide design? If I say, generate the image. The image now. So it's going to create an image for us. So now this is what the image looks like. You see how beautiful this is? So it takes it, so you can take this as your post and you have this right here. Now you can see it works, it's beautiful, and you can keep adjusting it to as much as you want. Okay, there's pretty much no limit except you're trying to do something legal. Hopefully you're not. So I'm just going to click on configure just to show you guys. So the name is blog to Facebook post. So description, friendly GPT that turns to with bold images. So instructions, you especially that turns this and that. And as you keep adding suggestions, it keeps adding to these instructions. Okay. So interaction style, this and that. Now the conversation starters. Remember when we saw the friendly and fun, make it shareable, and I decided to paste my link? You can always change this here. You can always add, or you can always take out. So anything you want, you can always put it here. So we also have a Spanish version. Now, right here where it says knowledge, upload files. If you already have files in your computer, let's say PDF, Word document, whatever it is, you can always upload it here so you can get information from that as a way to create this. A lot of people tend to do that when they have their own private GPTs. Please, if you're going to make your GPT public, my personal opinion, do not upload any files, because there's a way a good amount of people can reverse engineer the chat to pretty much get access to your files. So if you're going to make your GPT public, please do not upload any reference files, except you want those reference files to be public. So recommended model, So no recommended model. Users will use any model they prefer. A lot of people want to pick theirs. I'll say just leave it like this because these guys keep improving. So you just want to leave it that way. So you can have different capabilities: web search, canvas, image generation. That's what I have because I need all three for me to be able to have this GPT, and code interpreter for data analysis. So let's see how this is. Allow the GPT to run code so it can analyze data, work with your uploaded files and everything. People do this if they have a GPT that they built that requires programming. So now that we've gone through all that, and you can always create a new action. If you click on create new action right here, let your GPT retrieve information from an API key or authorization. This goes beyond the scope of this video, so I'm not going to cover that today. And so this for people, right? They'll put in things like a privacy policy, so they enter in their schema and all that. And there are many videos on YouTube that show you how to do this, but this is not the video. This video just shows you how to just create your own custom GPT. So I'm just going to click on create, and now it shows you anyone with a link or only me. I don't want anyone with a link, and I don't want GPT store. So if you put in GPT store, it's going to appear in the GPT store, or only me. If you want it to be only you, put it as only you. So I say just for the sake of this video, I can put it in the GPT store and I don't have a problem with it, or I can make it only me or anyone with the link. So it totally depends on you, and I'm just going to click on only me, and I'm just going to click on save, and now it's saved. And so if I click on view GPT, this is it right here. I'm just going to bookmark this, and this is just mine. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully you guys like this video and you're able to create your own GPT, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.